How we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel. Chef Carlton here. And again, I'm going to ask you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. As you can see, I'm not even dressed for the kitchen today, guys. I was on my way out and somebody asked me for this recipe for these wings, and I had to stop and oblige. So here we are. I'm going to walk you guys through this delicious recipe for spicy jerk wings. All right, guys, so welcome back to another cooking video. I'm going to be doing some sweet spicy wings today. So I got some barbecue sauce, some jerk seasoning, salt, pepper, some paprika, some Cajun, some chili powder. So stick with me. My wings are already clean. I'm going to go ahead and start marinating my wings, and let's get rolling. Grab our bowl. Just go ahead and dump our chicken wings in. I already combined my Cajun, my paprika, and my chili powder. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over. I always put the dry on first, salt, pepper. Alright. And depends on your flavor profile. If you want to be more spicy, of course you go with more jerk. If you want to be more on the sweet side, you go with more barbecue. I'm going to go 50-50 on this one. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons. To 2 tablespoons. All right. I'm just going to use a tongue to mix it around. You can put a glove on and use your hands. But remember, there's jerk in here, so it's going to be spicy. All right. All right. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350. If it's something you're going to do right away, you may want to give yourself at least 5 minutes in the fridge. Or for best results, I recommend you doing this. Put it in a Ziploc bag and let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. All right. So let's say you do all of that and you have it in there for that 24 hours. Let's go ahead. Our oven's at 350. We're going to go ahead and start preparing our wings. So I'm going on a flat surface, being that after the wings are finished cooked in the oven, I'm going to reduce them in some sauce. I'm just going to lay them out. I don't know if you're a wing lover like me, you're going to love this one. I love me some nice, different style of chicken wings. I was going to do a bourbon or a Hennessy, but somebody asked me, quite a few people asked me to do this one first, so here we are. All right. So we're gonna go 20 minutes in the oven at 350, and we're gonna rotate them. So see you in 20. Ready. So we got 20 minutes on that side. We're gonna go ahead and give them a nice turn. Oh yeah. And these are almost there, so we're not going to put them in back for that long. But while you want them falling off the bone, you don't want them overcooking in the oven. So we're still going to reduce them in the sauce on the fire. So let's give them a quick turn. Going to brush with a little barbecue. Quick brush with some barbecue, that's it. We're going back in the oven, guys. All right. So now our wings are ready. It's on to the next step. All right, so you're gonna get a saucepan on. You're gonna add a A little bit of chicken stock. Alright. We're gonna add the rest of our jerk seasoning. Bring that to a boil. You're going to also add a little bit of butter. Alright, I'm going to add our barbecue. The rest of our barbecue sauce. And you're going to mix it in. You're going to get like a nice thick paste. You see that? Nice thick paste. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and add our wings. And this is going to be the sauce that's going to be in the middle. Alright. Make sure you get all your wings in there. You just want to get them covered. Not really cooked, you just want to get them covered in that sauce. Nice sticky jerk barbecue chicken wings. You guys, I do a lot of wings, so after this one, we do the Hennessy. Alright, just might do the bourbon, but we'll see. Alright guys, so our wings are there. It's now my favorite part of my videos. Let's go ahead and work on our presentation for this one.